This short video will review unpacking and installing the Tork Elevation Jumbo Bath Tissue Roll Dispenser. Each Tork Elevation Jumbo Bath Tissue Roll Dispenser comes individually packed with a standard Tork key, mounting hardware, operating instructions, and an installation template. You will need to have on hand the following: measuring tape, pencil, Phillips head screwdriver, and drill. To install the dispenser, tape the installation template to the wall at the required height. Pay special attention to the ADA height guidelines. Pay close attention to the bubble level on the inside of the dispenser. This will ensure that it is hung correctly and eliminate any potential issues with dispensing. Reposition your template until it's level. Once your template is level, take your open dispenser and using your pencil, mark through the template onto the wall where you'll be drilling. Drill the holes, remove the template, and insert 4 anchors. Next, line up your dispenser with the anchors and secure it to the wall using the supplied mounting hardware. The business card holder allows you to place your contact information or customer service to aid in reordering of refills or for any questions.